Hey, what's up? It's the Jonas Brothers, and we are about to play Never Once, Never Too Much with AT&T for the College Football Playoff National Championship. Let's get it.
No peeking here.
Come on, Joe.
What do we got?
What you got?
Texting while watching the game. I mean, duh. You gotta text your friends. You're excited that you
So
can.
you do it too much.
Too much.
Too much. Sleeping with socks on. Absolutely not. Leaving a voicemail. You know, there are times I
do
actually
that.
feel like leaving a voicemail is nice.
Tailgating before the game. I've done it once.
Just once.
I've actually
Well,
only
I've
done
done it a
once.
couple times. Storming the field. Maybe this week we'll do that. So never. I never have done that.
Never once.
Never once. Thank you.
Get in there.
Oh, this is a good one. Pets named after favorite players.
Your dog's names are what?
Macy and Riley, so it doesn't really fly.
Yeah.
So I guess never.
Deleting pictures in your camera roll. You're not about to catch me and say, no, never done that. I have nothing to hide. Going for the 2-point conversion. Listen, sometimes in life you gotta take risks.
Have AT&T.
Look at that, right there.
Yeah,
AT&T
same.
on the phone. Thanks for playing with us. We had a great time with all of you. Thanks to AT&T, College Football Playoff National Championship, for having us. More to come. We'll see you, I don't know, next year maybe?